Students, I am Dr. Kapil Patil, Assistant Professor in Zoology Department. So, in previous video, we discussed the silent features of class Chondrichthyes. Now, we are discuss the general characters of class Osteichthyes. Osteichthyes, nothing but a bony fish. They are commonly known as a bony fish because their endoskeleton made by a bone. This Osteichthyes fish found in a marine water and in a fresh water. Chondrichthyes class, their fish only found in a marine water, but this class Osteichthyes found both marine as well as fresh water. Another thing is that when you see the exoskeleton, so their exoskeleton covered by a scale. So in a class Osteichthyes, their exoskeleton made by ganoid scale is there, cycloid scale is there, as well as ctenoid scale is there. Ctenoid scale is very common in this fish body. Their body divided into head, trunk and tail. Neck is absent. Then see the fins. So in this case, in a class Osteichthyes, paired fin is there and unpaired fin is there. Paired fin including pectoral fin as well as pelvic fin, and unpaired fin including dorsal fin as well as a caudal fin is there. So caudal fin also known as a tail fin. This tail fin is a homocircle type. Tail fin is a homocircle type in a class Osteichthyes, and tail fin or caudal fin is a heterocircle type in a class Chondrichthyes fish. When you observe the tail of shark, the tail of shark is asymmetrical. When you observe the tail of Labiorhyncha, their tail is symmetrical, divided into two equal parts. Then mouth. Their mouth is a terminal as well as nostril present at a dorsal side. Nostril present at a dorsal side. In a Chondrichthyes, mouth present at the ventral side. Then another modified structure, scroll wall. Scroll wall present in an intestine. And this scroll wall is nothing but a spiral wall, increase the absorptive area in an intestine. These scroll wall absent in a class Osteichthyes fish, as well as their digestive system start from mouth and end toward the anus. But in a class Chondrichthyes, that opens into a cloaca. So their mouth, in a mouth, a homodont type teeth is also present. It's a homodont and heterodont. Homodont is similar in shape and size. Heterodont, dissimilar shape and size. Our teeth is a heterodont type, as well as polyphyodont type of teeth present in a class Osteichthyes. Polyphyodonts means these teeth replace again and again. When these teeth break, then replace throughout their lives. Or such a teeth is called as polyphyodonts. Means many set of teeth is present, as well as this teeth is acrodont. Acrodont broad base as well as pointed apex, and this teeth is loosely attached to their jaw bone. Such a teeth present in a class Osteichthyes. Respiration occurs through the gills. These gills, generally 4 pair of gills is present, and these gills is covered by a special structure, and that structure is called as operculum. Operculum is a characteristics of class Osteichthyes fish. This operculum is absent in a class Chondrichthyes. Sharks, when you see a shark gills, their gills naked, but in this case their gills covered by a structure operculum. When you lift that operculum, you can easily see a gills of fish. So operculum is a characteristic of Osteichthyes fish. Heart, again venous heart is there. Venous heart means only deoxygenated blood pass into the heart. Such a heart is called as venous heart. Chamber, in aquatic, in fish, 2 chambers is there, auricle and ventricle. Accessories organ is also there, including sinus venous as well as truncus artery is there. Sinus venous generally carry deoxygenated blood of body. Then single type of circulation. Single type of circulation means only one time blood pass into the heart. Such a circulation is called as single circulation. This fish is also a cold-blooded fish. Then sexes are separate. Then after that, sexual dimorphism is also found. Then in a male, clasper is absent, and clasper is a characteristic of class Chondrichthyes, but in this case clasper is absent. Then air bladder. This air bladder is also characteristics of Osteichthyes fish. In Osteichthyes fish, air bladder is present. It acts like a lungs of fishes that are also help for the swimming purpose. Then fertilization. Fertilization is a external type. In a class Chondrichthyes, fertilization is a internal type, but Osteichthyes fertilization is a external type. Fusion of male and female gametes outside the body. When female lay the egg, same time male eject the sperm. Medium water is there. This Osteichthyes class fish is a oviparous, means egg laying. Best example is labio is there. See the diagram. See the sketch diagram of Labiorhoeta. In a Labiorhoeta, I want to show their body is a spindle shape, both side narrow, reduce the friction, as well as I want to show paired fins. Pectoral fin is there, as well as pelvic fin is there. These are the paired fins. Then unpaired fins including dorsal fin, as well as another one is a caudal fin. Caudal fin, tail fin is a homocircle, both showing a equal parts. So those fish which are showing such a characteristics belongs into the class Osteichthyes.